Hello and welcome to my new workshop. It has taken a lot longer than I had hoped to bring my plan into reality. I now have everything set up pretty much as the original concept, although I expect things to evolve as I settle in. My army storage boxes have worked out well for long-term storage. The new space is well lit with LED lights and is as well organised as I can get it. I wanted the workshop to be somewhere where I can feel relaxed and want to work in, so there are a few personal touches here and there. It was great to finally get my library unpacked and on the shelves. There is even space for more books, although this will fill up very quickly. Here you can see some of my part works, First World War volumes, bays, magazine teardowns and Second World War volumes. Samples of all the current range are stored in this aisle, together with outer packaging boxes, stationery and other boring stuff. At the top of this row of shelves is Winston's Eerie. He was being a diva today, so here's a picture of him from a few days ago. Having a whiteboard is essential so I can keep up to date with all my important tasks. I now have all my paints and tools organised and stored in new boxes, keeping everything clean and close at hand. It is possible to buy an electronic height adjustable table, but for my work desk I've opted for a low-tech solution. I call it the Desk-O-Matic. With 4 height options it provides me with all the flexibility I need. I have applied for a patent. My moulds are well organised and I even have space to make more for future aircraft and tanks. My mould making and casting area is now well lit and tidy, so I can work efficiently. The goal was always to have a clean, well organised and well lit workshop to make sculpting and production of the models as easy and enjoyable as possible. From here I'll be able to make more videos about future projects and how I sculpt and produce the aircraft and tanks. Now for a walkthrough to join all the bits together. Soon I'll be ready to relaunch the business with new models, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and sign up to the newsletter on my website to get the latest news as it happens. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more histories, builds, how-tos and vlogs. For more information on our models, why not visit our website? Happy collecting!